Hey everybody, so this is another video on how to upload your passion project if you made a physical passion project, meaning that if you made a poster, if you have a skill that you want to show off like cooking or dancing, anything that you didn't make on the computer. So in my case, my example, I'm going to talk about gardening and how I started gardening. So I'm going to head over, first thing I'm going to do is head over to Seesaw, and that will be linked in the Google Classroom. You're gonna get to Seesaw, go ahead and log in using your student account, your student ID number at stu.sandy.net. And the first thing you're gonna see is Pizza Pizza, followed by a passion project on Seesaw. So you're gonna click that green add response button, and I'm gonna be a sample student. And it's going to show photo, drawing, video, upload, note, or link. Because we have a physical product, we're going to be using video because that's going to be the way that you can show off your physical passion project. So as soon as I click video, the screen at the bottom is going to mess up and you can see me on the bigger screen. Here we go. And it allows you to record video over here. So I'm going to click any of these buttons on the side. It says recording video in 3, 2, 1. Hi, my name is Jay, and I'm going to be talking about my passion project, which is gardening. And of course, I'm going to have whatever physical product I have that I want to show off, whether it's like your poster, your model, your diorama, your cooking skills, your frying pans, anything like that. So in this case, I have a little seed starter pack in here, and there are some chamomile inside. And as a part of my presentation, I kind of want to show off where chamomile is from. So I have a globe, gonna find wherever it is on the globe, talk. So I'm explaining my project and giving a presentation, even though we're not in the classroom. So if you have a poster, hold it up. If you have anything like this that can help aid your presentation, that can give you or give the viewers more of an idea of what your project is, use that. So give your presentation to the camera as if you would if you were in the classroom. Once you're done, you're going to click the pause button and then go ahead and click done. Notice up here you have up to 5 minutes to record a video. That's a lot of time. If you go over, I'll show you how to create another video, but 5 minutes is more than enough. Go ahead and click done. It's going to take a little bit of time to upload, and of course my camera at the bottom is still fuzzy, but you can still hear my voice, so that's okay. I'm going to pause that while it uploads. Might take a while. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there's my video. You can add a caption if you want. This is Jay's passion project on gardening. Cool. Nice. Alright, and then I'm going to click the green check button on the upper right hand corner, so that way it submits. And from the teacher's side, I can see that sample student right here uploaded a video. Hi, my name is Jay, and I'm going to be talking. And we'll be able to receive it. Alright, good luck out there.